Hi everyone, welcome back. Chitra here. In this video, I will be demonstrating to you how to use coconut grater attachment for ultra mini wet grinder. Make sure to hold this and then open. Just hold simultaneously both and then
That's how it is.
no, it
I
can.
don't see a way to insert this. No, that's how it is. It's flexible like this.
Yeah.
No, there's no way to push it further. Except there's some piece between maybe, but I don't think so. Can you read it?
Could be slightly bigger, right?
I would not recommend it. Sorry. I would not recommend it.
You saw my husband and I fumbling with this coconut grater attachment. This is the second time I'm buying it. I had the same attachment for a very old ultra grinder that was Ultra Pride. I think that's not manufactured anymore, but this is similar like this one. And we probably used it once in that time. That's about 2 decades back. I wanted to try it again. I don't have the old grinder with me anyway. So I wanted to try it out in this one. As you can see, we were fumbling a lot and it is not as easy to grind. If you have tried out this grater, please feel free to share your tips and suggestions in the comment section below. I am really wanting to perfect this technique. So please let me know how you are able to succeed with this grater. I will link below all the other older videos from Ultra Wet Grinder in the description box below, and I will also link below the Amazon link for this grinder in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.